In this video, I'll be talking about different type of chats which are available in Zerodha Kite. So if you're seeing in the screen, as you're seeing, this is a type of another kind of chat. Hi guys and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be talking about different type of chats which are available in Zerodha Kite. So if you're seeing in the screen, as you're seeing, this is a type of another kind of chat. So every day we use candlestick chat, but I'll be telling you the different type of chats what is available in Zerodha and how you can make use of it. Okay, so in this video I'll be giving a brief introduction about the different type of candles chat and the other kind of chat in this video. Okay, so before that, if you're new to my channel, make sure hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get all the notifications from my channel. I'll be uploading a lot of educational video, intraday trading strategy, tricks, tips and a lot of things in this channel, so make sure you stay tuned for that. And also, if you're new to stock market trading, if you're having loss and want to recover the loss and want to learn how to make money constantly in trading, you can join my course. I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course details are in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. Here you can see feedback and earning proof by my client after taking the course. So before you see the earning proof, I want to tell you guys what are the things and benefits you'll be getting once you join my course. Okay, so a lot of people got into my trading program and now they're making money constantly, and also the people who had lost have recovered their loss. So these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join my course. So you'll be able to earn constantly in trading. I'll be teaching you my 95% accuracy, unique and secret accuracy strategies, no indicators needed, and also I'll be teaching you a good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. You can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 rupees. Also, I'll be teaching you a good money management system, a risk-free trading system, and also, as you guys know, my course price are very less and reasonably priced. And here you can check out all the earning proof with the latest and recent ledger proof. Okay, so you can go through all of these things, and if you're interested to make profit constantly like this, you can WhatsApp me on the number displayed on the screen and get in touch with me and to take the course. And also many of my clients has won the Zerodha 60-day challenge, so you can go through all of these things. So one of my client who joined my course made a constant for 5 months and he has bought his own new car. Even that message has been displayed. So you can go through all of these earnings and the feedback messages. If you are motivated and if you want to make profit constantly like this, you can definitely join us. So guys, by being said that, now let's talk about different type of chats. Okay, so to change this view in your Zerodha Kite, what you have to do is just go to display. Here you can see a lot of things. Okay, so as you guys know, this is the one what we usually use, the candlestick pattern. So this is a normal Japanese candlestick pattern what we use in day-to-day trading. So if you go to view, you get all the, sorry, go to display, you get all the other things like bar. So this is a bar chart. Okay, so this is a bar candle, how it looks. And if you go to colored bar, so this is how the colored bar looks. It's the same one like a bar, but here the red and green, the bullish and bearish candle are identified by the different colors. Okay, that is red and green. And if you go to line, you can see this is a line chart. So every candlestick, I mean every type of chart donates a different values. Okay, so this is a line chart. So also I'll be making a hidden tricks and tips video on this, like how to use different kind of chart and different type of indicator and different kind of strategies. Okay, so stay tuned for that. And you can see hollow candle. So this is a hollow candle. So the candle with highest volume will be represented by the colored body. Okay, so as you can see here, so this is an hollow candle. And go to mountain. So if you click on mountain, this is how the chart is displayed. So mountain is like a line chart, but here you can see the filling of the colors. Okay, and you can see baseline. So baseline is also like a line chart, but as you can see, the downtrend and uptrend are denoted by red and green. Okay, and go to display again, you can see the volume candle. So this is a type of candle chart which will donate the volume of each and every candle. So whichever candle is having a very big volume, so that is represented by a very big candle, as you can see here. So it doesn't look uniform like a normal Japanese candlestick, but it is displayed like this. Okay, so these are the type of candles what you saw now, I mean the type of charts. So if you go more further, as you guys know, Aikanashi. So this is Aikanashi which looks smoother. And if you know, and this is Kagi. Okay, so we don't use this in normal trading. Okay, and this is line break, and this is Renko. So I know you guys have heard Renko and range bars, so even that also can be used. So this is range bar, so this looks like a candlestick, but it's not a normal candlestick. And we have point and figure, so it's look like this. So usually we don't use it, you use this in intraday trading, but I will be making a lot of tricks and tips video on this, like how we can use it and make some of the secret strategies. Okay, so and also if you're using Zerodha, I know like you can change your theme like day and night. So if you point it to the night, it will look like this, the background will turn to black, and you can actually customize your themes like changing the candlestick and all of these things. Okay, so this is a brief introduction of chat style. Okay, so in my next upcoming video I'll be making a hidden trick and tips of using a line chart with other kind of indicators. Okay, that is this one, so line chart. So we will be using the line chart and making one more strategy very soon in my channel, so make sure you stay tuned for that. That will be a good strategy. Okay, so this is just a brief introduction, so hope you guys like this video. So if you guys like this video, do give a like for this video, and also subscribe to my channel, and also go inside my channel and watch all the other videos and also like them. Okay, and also every day I upload how much profit I made on what stock I traded with the profit proof every single day. So if you're interested to make money constantly and accurately like this, you can definitely join us today. So thank you guys for watching, have a good day, I'll see you in the next one very soon.